We've launched a new way to turn any invoice into a stablecoin payment link via Notabene Flow. There's no integration required, just upload a PDF invoice, generate a payment link, and let your customer pay with stablecoins, settled instantly to the asset of your choice. Let's show you how it works. Our new payment link generator can be found at flow.link. It allows any business to transform an ordinary invoice into a secure stablecoin payment link. To get started, upload any PDF invoice to the payment link generator. I have one here on my desktop to show you how it works. After you upload and accept the terms and conditions, continue to confirm your invoice details. You'll see the details of your invoice here, along with the payer, payee, and payment total. Once I confirm that this looks right, I'll be asked to verify the email where I'll receive the payment link. This email will also be used to signal to your payer who exactly is sending the payment request, so that they can recognize you as a trusted partner. Grab the verification code from your email, and now we're ready to enter your receiving wallet for the payment. If your network is claimed within the Notabene Network, it will be recognized and the associated VASP will automatically be selected. If it is not recognized, you can simply select the provider and continue. For this demo, I'm going to select to receive the funds at a self-hosted wallet, in this case, MetaMask. Once I confirm my ownership of the wallet in my MetaMask extension, I'm then able to select which assets I'm willing to receive. I see that USDC and USDT are already enabled, but let's say that I want to also accept PayPal stablecoin. I can search for that asset and go ahead and select both, since I'm comfortable receiving on either network. And that's it. I now have a Notabene Flow payment link ready to share with my customer in whatever way I prefer. I can use any number of native sharing options here, or simply copy and paste the link to share in whatever communication channel I already have established with my customer. If I have a look at my email, the same one we verified earlier in the process, I can see that I also have the link available here. When your customer receives the link, all they have to do is follow a few simple steps to complete the transaction and you're good to go. And that's how Notabene Flow allows you to get paid in stablecoins from any of your customers in just a few simple steps. We'd love for you to try it out for yourselves. Grab the next invoice that you're about to send out for payment and upload it to flow.link and let us know what you think. And if you're a payment service provider, wallet provider, custodian, bank, or any platform that facilitates stablecoin payment flows, we're able to bring the power of Notabene Flow directly to where your customers already live with a direct integration on your platform. You can get in touch with our team at hello@notabene.id or learn more and sign up to join the network at notabene.id/flow.